Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how the stand works on your Samsung G9. So you're already aware that you can move it up and down and that you can tilt it, but you might not be aware that you can hide the cables, and also you might be wondering what this is for here. Well, if you look closely, there is actually a picture of headphones on here, and the idea is you just use your nail and you just push down from there and this pops up here, and it allows you then to hang your headphones from the back of the monitor. Obviously we've got it flat here just to make it easy to film. So that's a little headphone stand there, and then to lock it away just push it up home like that, and once you push it up it just clips into here, keeps it out of the way. Now there is an option to hide your cables. There should be a blanking cover that goes all on the back here. That's missing on this particular monitor, but as you can see at the moment, the power cables here, if you had your DisplayPort or HDMI or even your headphone jack cable coming out of here, they're just all going to be loose and untidy. If you get this stand at the back here and if you push it up like so, it will come off, and you might be wondering what this cutout here is for. This cutout is to allow you to hide your cables. So for the purpose of the video, we're just going to do the power cable, but you'll probably be doing your HDMI and your DisplayPort cable. So we're going to be bringing it through there and here, and then we're going to be putting this back on. So we're going to be putting this on from the top and then sliding it down like that until it clips into place. And can you see now, it's hidden away. The cable from going straight down here is hidden in here. So you can see it's going to be a lot neater, especially when you've got your blanking plate on the back. And then if you want to put a different cable in, or you want to remove this cable, just use a little bit of force and just push it upwards. It's kind of easy if you grab it from top and bottom and force your fingers down on this bit like so, and then it will lift off, and then you can remove it and put a different cable in. Thanks for watching.